How did you decide that you wanted to do woodworking instead of something else?
Well, before I was a woodworker, a natural thing of importance to me was working with my hands. I think I had some mechanical aptitude. Whether I did or not, I enjoyed building things. And so I was able to get a job welding at a local company. It was a company that built tractors. It's named Webco. And I was able to work my way up as a welder to first class. It was interesting, it was fun, it was hard work, it was hot, but at the end of the day, I could say, this is something I made with my hands.
That sounds really satisfying.
And it was, except for one thing, is it was dirty. And I knew that if I stayed in this profession, my life expectancy was limited. And I wanted to work with my hands, but I wanted to work with my hands with something clean. And so I started exploring what are the options, and woodworking just stood out as an opportunity to work with my hands, to build something, to be able to do something for other people, and to have that sense of satisfaction of a job well done, a project completed, and a customer satisfied.